I've got mints for anybody that's going up to the board today. My back hurts and I don't really want to walk around. Okay, so I'm telling you what to write. Okay, I've got 3x parentheses. Nope, sorry, you're right, I didn't really specify that part. Oh, yeah, that works. Left parentheses? No. And then inside the parentheses, x plus 2. Parentheses. Perfect. Okay, now, who are you going to call on?
Kennedy.
Who did you call on?
Kennedy.
Kennedy. Okay, now, if you need some assistance or want some emotional support, you can bring it up there with you. Otherwise, and you can call in anybody you want, including me or whatever. How do we multiply that out again? Do you remember what we did with the 3x?
Distribute.
Good?
Am I supposed to like?
Draw the arrows if you want, sure. This is just a reminder of what we did Friday. Okay? Do you remember what we get as the answer, or do you want somebody else to do that?
Someone else.
Oh, okay. This problem's taking a long time.
Yeah.
Okay, who's going?
SK.
SK. Now we can give you some guidance if you want it. Okay? So 3x times x, 3x squared, x. What? Oh, can't do that one. Erase the x. Write it next to the 6. Not a power. Yep. Okay, so perfect. 3x times x. They're both x to the first, so we add their powers and get x2. So 3x squared. 3x times 2, we multiply the normal numbers, which makes it 6, and then there is no other x to multiply it with, so it's 6x. It's been a little while since we did this. Okay, SK, you can call a number or a person, whatever it be.
5.
Who's number 5? Excellent, come on up. Was that a targeted 5? No, that's kind of smirky. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's write. 5AB,
Like that.
perfect. Parentheses, now we're gonna write some info in it, yep. Let's have 2a squared b plus, give me a number, 8b. Perfect. Good.
What now?
You're in charge.
Do I call somebody or do I solve it?
You're in charge. So you get to decide these things. Whoever's up front is in charge.
Can I like call on a person? Number 12.
Leon,
Yeah.
when I say you're in charge, that means you get to make the decisions. So you say, can I call on somebody? Yes. Whatever you ask me is yes. You're in charge.
Number 12.
I don't know. I wasn't here. So.
You weren't here Friday? No. So before you call on somebody, do you think you can draw the little arrows as to how we multiply it out again?
Yeah.
Perfect. Yep.
Is it?
Nope.
No.
Undo. Nope. Undo is the curved arrow. Nope. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Right here.
Oh.
So the plus and minus signs are what separate terms. And so we have to take the item on the outside times the terms on the inside. Okay, so sure, call somebody.
Number 22.
Why do you guys keep calling, you like look directly at the person, then you just call their number?
I was just like, I called the first
Appearing to be impartial?
Yeah, I was just like,
I see.
yeah.
Okay, Amir, the problem awaits you. So we've got 5ab times 2a squared b. First thing we do is multiply the regular numbers. So 5 times 2.
10?
That sounds like a question. Excellent. Okay, now we take a times a squared. So we've got a1 times a2. Do you remember what we do with the powers?
Oh, wait, add.
Perfect, add them. Are we trying to erase? Two fingers. Together, okay. Oh my. Huh, that was actually kind of weird. Put the marker down and pick it back up. I think that was actually too quick. The thing didn't even register it. Oh, that's weird. It's stuck on the eraser. Okay, we'll tap the marker icon, I guess. Yeah, that was stuck on the eraser for some reason.
Wait.
Perfect. Took us about 3-4 minutes. We're there. Okay, we've got a cubed. Now we have b1 times b1.
2.
b2. Perfect. Now we've got the plus sign because we're moving to the next term. Okay, do you want to call on somebody else?
Yeah.
Okay, you did quite a bit of work up there.
30, I guess.
30. I think over here. Okay, Eli, we are taking 5ab times 8b. Oh, I forgot.
There's some ducks in here. There's a lot of ducks in here.
Anybody who has gone up to the board is welcome to come take a mint, I guess, or a duck. I don't know. Okay, how do we do 5ab times 8b? I can give you some guidance if you'd like. Okay, we're going to start with doing the regular numbers 5 times 8. Nope, you don't have to draw it. Just write the answer next to 10a cubed b squared. So 40. Wait, what? Where are you getting x from? Oh, was that times?
I forgot we have to do this.
Wait, no, just do 5 times 8 in your head. Wait. Oh, yeah. There you go. So let's 40. Perfect. Now we're going to do A1. Is there any other A's to multiply it with? We're all done with that one. So, who came up again? Amir? You were up there? Amir did 5ab times 2a squared b. So this is all done with. We are now only doing 5ab times 8b. So you did the 5 times the 8 already. Now it's a1 times no other a, so it stays a1. So 40a. Yep. Now you're going to do b1 times b1, and we add their powers, still next to the 48. So b2. Okay. Oh, my bad. Too far. Little tiny 2 squared. Okay, good. Now, yep, that's it. This one is about as hard as it gets because you have multiple letters and various things put together. Nice job. I would like you guys to go to, I think it's page 12. It's got like rectangles on it. Yeah, it must be 12 then. 12. Okay, Eli, who's gonna go? Yeah, it most definitely can be random. I'd prefer it to be random. 13 back there.
I wasn't here.
Oh, another person claiming to not be here. All right. 29. Sam or Drew? Must be Drew. Oh, is it? Oh, you were 20. What number are you, Eli? Oh, okay. Got it. Okay, FYI. If we are gone from school, do you guys remember what you're supposed to do? What? We've been doing it all year long. What do all your teachers tell you to do if you're gone? Check Schoology to see what the assignment was. In Schoology, I put the video of what we did in class. Nothing was assigned, but you guys can at least know what we did. Okay, are you ready? Excellent. On the left-hand side, actually not even left-hand side yet, on that picture it tells us the info, but it's not labeled. It says short side is 5, long side is 8. Can we write the 5 and the 8 down there? Yeah. Okay, perfect. You can write it on all 4 or just 2. It doesn't really matter. It's kind of up to you. Do you remember how to find perimeter? Okay, what does a teacher do when, I shouldn't say what does a teacher do when they can't remember. Although it could be the same. What should we do then? Call on somebody to remind you what perimeter is. So, Fathi, what's perimeter? This is going to be a long time. Okay, you're in luck. Braden has his Chromebook open. No, I was calling on you because...
Well, it's dead.
Why do you have it open if it's dead?
Just checking it.
Okay. Savannah, is yours dead? Do you need to look up perimeter?
Get the charger.
I do not. Okay, Google perimeter. This is what we do when we don't remember things. This is what I do when I don't remember things.
Perimeter is the total distance around the outer edge of a shape. How to find it? General rule. For any shape, add up the length
What?
of all its sides.
Well, my phone is telling me how to find perimeter. Okay. I think I said Google, unfortunately. Okay, it's how far it is around the shape. I think that's what you were saying, and then I started hearing it from two directions. Okay, we just basically add up the outsides. So on the left-hand side is perimeter. There's a space on the left, other left. See underneath where it says perimeter?
Yeah.
Write it there. Oh, you just added them up on your own. Got it. Wait, no, that's not right. How'd you get 36?
I don't know.
Okay. Home. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Okay, so we're going to do 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5. You just don't like writing. I'm not saying the answer was wrong. 8 plus 5 plus...
I did it in my head.
I know, your answer was correct. Is that where you got 36 from accidentally? Yeah. 8 plus 5 plus 8. Just write it down. You're being paid for this. Come on. Okay, we're writing it down because the ones below are more difficult. Okay, and then you'd say equals 26, which you already knew. Yep. Nice, thank you. Do you know, or are we just directly calling on Fathi again? Okay. Fathi, now we need to find the area. On the right-hand side is area. How do you find the area of a rectangle? We're going to be here a long time. You can call on Savannah if you need to. Then look at her. Oh, do you know who Savannah is? That makes sense. Are you really Google? I gotta be careful what I'm saying so my phone doesn't tick off again.
The amount of space occupied by a two-dimensional figure.
Does anybody in here remember how to do the area of a rectangle? I'm hoping so. It's like the most basic thing there is.
Multiply 5 times
say.
You multiply length times width. You multiply the two numbers. Okay, so Fatih, up there. On the right-hand side, why do you sound surprised? I'm telling you what to write.
So get up.
How are you gonna write from your desk? Okay, on the right-hand side, write 8 times 5. Your jacket's touching on accident. I don't know what to tell you. Sometimes that board is possessed. Perfect. So this is going a lot worse than I expected. Do I need to go over? Only 2 people raised their hand when I asked who knew how to do area of a rectangle. Have you guys ever done that before? That's what I thought. Okay. Are we just playing dumb, or did we forget all of existence over the weekend? I mean, like, I feel like you guys remember more, you just are not happy to be back at school. Probably that? Did your cold day give you a sense of freedom, and now you lost your freedom again? Fair enough. Okay. Fatih, we are going to move on to harder stuff because, well, everybody's just sitting there saying nothing. Let's go to the third problem. A number or a person?
20.
Griffin, are you 20? Okay. First thing we need to do is label that rectangle. Good, 5x and then 8x plus 2. Excellent. Oh, you go ahead and keep, oh, I got you. Okay. All right. Now, do you want to keep going? Do you want,
So,
I see, everybody's passing it off today. All right. Go ahead.
26.
Okay, on the left-hand side, we are going to do perimeter. What did we do with perimeter up above?
Added all the
Added all 4 sides. Okay, so we are going to do the same thing, but with letters. Just write it down. 5x plus 8x plus 2. To save some space, let's just add 5x plus 8x plus 2 and then double it. Instead of writing all 4 sides, let's just add 2 of them and then double it to save space. Okay, how do we add 5x and 8x? You're the one that asked me how that works. Okay. No, you're right. So it's 5x plus 8x. You're thinking multiplying in your head, I think.
Yeah.
So we just add the numbers in the front. And then plus 2. Okay, now if we double it, because we only added 2 sides, let's put a parentheses around 13x plus 2, and then times 2. And then let's write the answer up above. What do we get when we double everything? 26x plus, and I heard you say the plus 4. Yep. That's the answer.
We're done. At least with perimeter.
Correct?
Got that.
100%.
31.
Okay. Okay, for area, we need to multiply the 2 things. So we're going to write down 5x and then parentheses 8x plus 2. So pretty much what we were doing all of Friday. And then I can guide you on the multiplication if you need it. Okay, good. So we get 40x squared, perfect, plus 10x. Nice. We're actually done, but thank you. Whoever's 21, one of you two? You got saved. Unless you want to go up there. Oh, okay. So here's what I would like you to do today, and I will put this in the grade book. Friday I did not because I knew it was going to go fast. Wait, did I put it? I don't think I put Fridays in the grade book, right? Yeah. Okay, so today I would like you to do page 12. And then the page on Friday that some of you started early, which was 9. So page 9 and 12. I would do 12 right now because you already remember how to do it. Like we just started it together. And then go to 9, which is just multiplying. This is exactly what we did Friday and at the beginning of today. And I will gladly help those who need the assistance, you know, whether you just totally forgot how to do everything from Friday or whatever it is. I'll help you guys out if you want it or need it.